Revolutionize your production with PATHAK Group's fiber carding cum pillow filling machine. It is a compact and efficient solution for the textile and bedding industry. The key features of this machine includes integrated carding and filling, saves space and labor with one powerful machine. High efficiency, rapid processing and filling for unparalleled output. Versatile compatibility, effortlessly works with polyester, cotton, wool, and more. Adjustable settings, customize fiber consistency and pillow firmness to perfection. User-friendly, intuitive controls and easy maintenance for smooth operation. This machine can be used in various applications like pillow manufacturing, cushion filling, stuffed toy production, bedding industry, textile industry, upholstery industry. Upgrade your production line with the PATHAK Group's fiber carding cum pillow filling machine. Contact PATHAK Group today to learn more about this innovative machine.